They're decently big.
Yeah.
They're proportional to the population.
This is fun. I like them. Whatever, I'm a dork. Yes, you are.
Well, you should go to Celebration of Lights in Vancouver sometime.
Yeah?
Celebration. Oh,
Yeah,
I've seen it on
It is pretty impressive. It's even better in real life. It like covers the sky when you're at the beach.
competition, right?
It is. So it's like 7 days of fireworks.
Is this cool enough standing here? What?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, you should go to Celebration of Lights. There's like music too.
Oh, yeah.
Punishment for having beer?
We have to watch through the...
I think the punishment was that blood that we saw.
Yeah, that was gross. It's not a dirty bar. Why are the tables sticky?
Okay.
Blood.
Okay, I thought that was part of the brochure. I was like, oh, that's a cool blood design. I was going to touch it, but good thing Bria warned me.
People are happy.
The Canadian Tire truck. The infamous Canadian Tire truck.
How long did we
Well, I can tell you one thing. They're bigger than the fireworks we had last night in the residence. We only had one Roman candle go off. I'm like, yeah!
Unless you want to fucking spawn.
Yeah, happy Canada Day. Yeah, there's a lot of Captain Canadas around here.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it all on tape.
Dead bodies and recycling. They go to the same place.
Dead body. I hope there's no cardboard in there, sir.
Well,
That goes in this bin.
well, he's environmentally conscious.
Not really.
This was a rough scene, actually. You know, even though it's small, it's better than nothing. You won't see fireworks until, like, fall. If I meet someone.
Like,
Why is this Toyota, like, aiming straight for us?
I gotta remember Frank Park.
You parked by the casino.
I have no clue. I saw the casino down the road.
Ooh, yeah! That must be in the finale.
Oh.
No, they actually do it pretty good finale.
This is pretty good, you know. I wish there was like some music that I could listen to while doing this. Yeah, well, last sometimes I've had saw fireworks. There's like music in the background. That's the best part about the Celebration of Lights because they time it to music.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I was going. I got on that. My buddy's like, "Oh, you're on there music. There, some girls, blah blah blah." Yeah, sure, I'll get a girl, I guess. See what happens. Just all just like one line or something. Chat.
I don't think so.
Like walk up and
Damn.
and they fall down, everybody was looking at you walking away?
Sir, you're a mastermind. It goes up there. That goes that goes up there with like shooting someone while it's like daylight saving. Right before it switches over.
So as soon as the fireworks pop, and then everybody will be around you, and I'll just be looking and grab on the rock.
Well, you have to make it look green too.
People even be going up like, shame on you.
Yeah.
I think on international scale, personal international scale, I'd feel it's a 7.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. I mean, it's pretty big. You know, if we were actually like in Marina Park, it's just over the sky, but we're pretty far away.
Yeah, I'm kind of like, oh, yeah, it takes a lot of time.
You know, one of the baseball games we were pretty good at doing, like, right now.
Yeah.
And if they would have turned out, obviously, that extra lights they had on.
Yeah. You weren't bad though. I like it.
Oh, they're pretty good.
Just had fireworks at the baseball game.
Yeah, last night.
Well, last
they
night they just.
had a late start, but the game ended a little early.
Yeah.
So like the sun wasn't out, but it was still a little bright from fireworks. But it was they cheaped out. Like it was pretty good.
I'd love to see more fireworks.
Yeah. Oh,
You just couldn't get all the like the light trails. Right.
yeah.
I
Oh, yeah.
got a 53 and he put a 32 motor in it. He jacked it right up the tires for like a year. Orange, bright orange, probably.
A lot of these fireworks reminds me of Pepsi times.
I got to go.
That last one was like blue and red, right? Kind of makes you thirsty.
Like he added got like orange. That's a big one. Okay. Yeah, the running thing. Yeah, I know it's the same style. Mine has different styles.
And my younger brother
I can smell the hammers coming up Marina Park. So where do they fire fireworks from? You guys know?
from our playing. Yeah.
Because I was looking around for like a ship like in the middle of the bay, but I didn't see anything. Year 6? So next year, if I'm still here,
Sorry, cool
6?
I think that's where they do it from.
We're all 3 years apart. 30s.
I'm surprised so many people are getting relevant. Like, that's probably going to be awesome when they're done all that. That story, but you know, like before they did any construction, like before that skate park, they stopped there.
Really?
Like, well, there's something there. Like, besides the skate park, there's nothing there.
Yeah, actually when I saw the skate park, I was like, wow, we have a skate park.
Yeah.
Like so many people were against the skate park, and then a bunch of letters to the editors came in after the skate park was done, and people were like, I was against the development of the park, I was
Like
against
me,
the
I don't
skate park,
like my brother.
but I'm now for it all.
I know it's like,
A lot of mines were changed from that skate park. It's really nice.
It is nice. I see people all the time, and it's just
There's
looks so
always
fun.
kids there.
Yeah.
Always.
You know, whatever keeps them off the drugs, I guess.
like me and my brother.
Just keep them safe.
Yeah. Like even like staying in the dorm right now, I'm like really bored. I'm glad I like came out with Nate over there. He's like looking for someone to go fireworks stuff.
Well, I thought it
Yeah. Is that it?
That makes me a bit homesick, actually.
Yeah, no, I'm a little